What's up guys, Jack here. Today we got a quick install video for you on my buddy Kyle's 2021 Hyundai Elantra N line. So we got some carbon fiber hood struts because these cars do not actually come with them. They come with one of those annoying rods. So we picked up these hood struts from our buddy Alan on Amazon. I will leave a link to his Amazon store in the description below. But yeah, super simple install. I'll show you guys here real quick. So it comes with your two carbon fiber strut rods. Pretty high quality, seems super nice. Two mounting brackets, two washers, and the bolts here as well. So tools are going to be really basic for this install. We got a plastic trim tool, a 12mm wrench, and a 14mm deep socket. So just to give you guys some more information, this is what they fit. Instructions are super simple. This shouldn't take you guys very long at all. It uses this strut mount bolt and then this hole as well. So yeah, let's throw these guys on and see what happens. Step one is going to be removing this plastic trim clip. So Kyle's going to get in here. We're going to get in here and pull that guy out. Just make sure you guys use a trim tool when you do this. You don't want to damage your hood liner or anything like that as well. Sweet, so we got that out. So now we can install that nut. All right, Kyle, what are you doing here?
So now we come to the fun part. What you're gonna do, this is your top portion with your washer. It's gonna sit on there like this. These are your backers.
Okay.
Now the thing about this that gonna make it fun is we gotta feed this down through the top right here. And we're gonna have to fish it in here. It's gonna be inside somewhere. Once we figure out where, we're gonna have to hold it in place. This is gonna take a minute.
Alright, so once you get it started, just screw it in. You get your 12mm wrench. And that's that, guys. Now we're gonna take this nut off and install the bracket. Same process over here on the other side. Feed your little cheater bar in here, line up the hole and screw it in. So we got both sides done, guys. Just attach this bracket on the bottom with your 14mm. And then these just clip in. You just push them on. They have a little retainer clip. Super easy. So let's test it out. You get that side, Kyle? Bam. Alright, sit her down gently. Let's make sure we installed everything correctly. Nothing binds. I think that's it. Sick.
So much nicer.
Yeah. Well, where can these guys find these hood struts, Kyle?
Another link in the description.
That's right. Thanks, Alan, for sending us these hood struts. We appreciate it. We'll film some more install videos on the 2021 Hyundai Elantra N line as more time allows.
When I'm not broke.
When he's not broke. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it.